Hey guys, you mind giving me your IDs?
Nah,
Let me see your ID.
you can't get my ID. Did
me
I
your
commit
ID.
a crime? Or am I being detained? I'm not even the one driving.
So the officer said the vehicle matching your description.
Dude, just give him your ID.
Yeah, give me your ID.
I don't
right
have
now.
my ID on me.
You don't have your ID?
Nope.
You got your ID, bro?
Nah, I got ID.
Hey,
What's up?
when you in the car,
Yeah, but I'm not the one being detained. I'm not the one being detained, sir. I know my rights. My lawyer told me what to say. I have rights.
everybody in the car gonna get.
My lawyer told me what to say exactly
your
because
lawyer
this
can
isn't the
tell me
first time I've been
right
stopped.
now.
Your lawyer's doing you a disservice.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
Dude,
What's up?
you don't go with the program, it's gonna be a long stop.
What is the Fourth Amendment and why is it important? The Fourth Amendment is the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures, shall not be violated, and no warrant shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by an oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. This means that without a warrant and no probable cause that there is a crime, then a search would violate your Fourth Amendment. There are, however, exceptions that could constitute a search without being a violation to your rights. The most important and most common exception being consent. This is why we try to beat it into you not to answer any questions. It's been known that officers will use trick questions to try and get consent. For instance, an officer may ask you, "Do you mind if I search your vehicle?" And you say yes, implying that you do mind if he searches your vehicle. Well, they search your vehicle anyways, and then when you tell them, "Why are you searching my vehicle?" they will twist their words and say, "Well, you gave us permission." This is why it's best to say, "I don't answer questions." You're not doing it to be combative or rude. You're doing it to protect yourself. Don't let an officer tell you otherwise. There is the exclusionary rule when dealing with the Fourth Amendment. Say an officer unlawfully searches your vehicle and find narcotics or weapons in your possession. As long as you can prove the search to be unconstitutional, that evidence may be excluded in court. In conclusion, when trying to remember the Fourth Amendment, remember that no crime and no warrant means no search.
Hey, David, you don't have to give him information.
Huh? What? Yeah. It's a Honda, you can't hear it, that's why. It's a hybrid. It's a hybrid. Can't hear it. You're right. You're right. How you guys doing?
Good.
Did we do anything wrong or?
First, you're flying down the road. Second, there was a
what?
vehicle matching your description that was involved in at least a concert.
Hey guys, you mind giving me your IDs?
Nah,
Let me see your ID.
you can't get my ID. Did
me
I
your
commit a
ID.
crime? Or am I being detained? I'm not even the one driving.
So the officer said the vehicle matching your description.
Dude, just give him your ID.
Yeah, give me your ID.
I don't
right
have
now.
my ID on me.
You don't have your ID?
Nope.
You got your ID, bro?
Nah, I got ID.
Hey,
What's up?
when you in the car,
Yeah, but I'm not the one being detained. I'm not the one being detained, sir. I know my rights. My lawyer told me what to say. I have rights.
everybody in the car gonna get.
My lawyer told me what to say exactly
your
because
lawyer
this isn't the first time I've been
right
stopped.
Your lawyer's doing you a disservice.
No, he's not.
Yeah, he is.
Dude,
What's up?
you don't go with the program, it's gonna be a long stop.
Shit,
All right?
Yeah.
And then your buddy here gonna get a speeding ticket because of you. How's that? Now tell me your rights.
I still have rights.
Okay. We say nothing about your right. We're telling you to give us your
I don't
ID.
have my ID.
Then you should have one, right?
No, I shouldn't.
So Figueroa,
What?
your lucky day. You getting a ticket.
For what?
You didn't even clock him.
I want to see.
You and I can go to court on that, right?
Huh?
This car can't even go past 60.
We could go for it. I wasn't even speeding or anything.
He didn't even clock you. It's good. You can fight it. He doesn't have a radar gun. He didn't clock you.
That's cool if you don't have an ID. Just what's your name?
Nah, I'm not giving you my name. Not giving you anything. By law, I don't have to give you anything if I'm not being detained.
Yes, you do by law.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
By law, do I have to give you my name if I'm not being detained or I didn't commit a crime? I'm not even the one driving.
That you're in the vehicle that committed a crime.
No, it's
We didn't
not.
commit no
You
crime.
just accused me of committing a crime after he
I
just
said you're in
said.
the same vehicle that committed a crime. That's two different
How do you
things.
know it's this vehicle if he just said it's the description of the vehicle?
It doesn't matter what.
Do you have a license plate of
At
this
the very
car?
least, at the very least, he was speeding, right?
No, he was not. Did he clock him? Detain me for what? Nah, watch out.
Or get out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
Resisting and obstructing.
Obstructing what?
You don't have any. You're being detained right now.
Detained for what? What crime did I commit?
Put down your phone. I'm taking your phone.
Wow.
You just go with the program, man.
I was going with the program. I'm just saying though, you can't
All right,
strip
step
me of
back
my
here in my
rights
car,
though.
okay?
You can't strip me of my rights though. Like, come on, bro.
Come on.
You know he didn't clock him. You know, come on, man.
Right now you're delaying life. You have a gun. I'm checking for weapons. Okay?
Why is it important to record police? I can inform you on all the reasons why I record police, but let me tell you why it's important for citizens to record police in general. We all remember Rodney King and the LA riots in 1992, right? Well, the world would have never been impacted to that magnitude if George Holliday hadn't picked up his camera and filmed that fateful event on March 3rd, 1991. It's important to always record police, especially during traffic stops, because you never know when you're going to come across the next victim of police brutality that's going to need your footage to use in court. Not only that, but the prevention of police brutality alone should be enough reasoning to film the police in the line of their duty. We've seen countless videos on the San Joaquin network of officers putting on a show or faking a smile for the cameras. If recording police makes officers feel uncomfortable or they act nicer because of the camera, then so be it. Public safety is more important than an officer's embarrassment. I do advise you to be knowledgeable of your constitutional rights if you're going to record the police. It could help save you or a fellow citizen from unlawful searches or arrests.
Mark and Craig, Pop Brothers at Law with the San Joaquin family for Shut the Fuck Up Friday and the script review. All right, what do you say when the cop first comes up and pulls you over and asks you a question like, what's that smell?
Why am I being pulled over?
And then he says you were speeding and then says, are you part of a gang?
I'm not discussing my day.
Oh, okay. Don't tell me about your day. Tell me where the drugs are then.
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
Oh, well, you're being detained.
I invoke the fifth.
And then no matter what that cop says, does, tries to scare you, intimidate you, threaten you, what do?
Shut the fuck up.
Those are your rights. Know them, learn them, live them, and love
Use them politely.
Shut the Fuck Up Friday. Pop Brothers at Law with the San Joaquin family.
Hey, what's up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm here with Jace the Real Camera, Wolfie Gladly. We're here at Cannabis Talk 101. I'm here with my friend Blue and my friend Joe. Make sure you guys check out the full podcast episode. We have a lot to talk about. We talk about how and why, some of the reasons why I got in. They talk about some of the reasons they got in. These guys allowed us to ask questions. Also, the Pop Brothers were on here, guys. This is crazy. You guys do not want to miss the full episode. I'm going to drop the link in my description as well. Definitely go subscribe to Cannabis Talk 101. These guys are awesome. You're going to love them, guys. Thank you, guys.
Peace.